Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Spurti's Academy. Today we are going to see types of pronouns. In the previous class, we have searched about types of nouns. In this video, we are looking into types of pronouns. First, we can see the definition of pronoun. Pronouns are words that we use in place of nouns in a sentence to make it less repetitive. Example, Ram is a singer, Ram is a player. We can say like Ram is a singer and he is a player. There are 11 types of pronouns: personal pronoun, impersonal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, possessive pronoun, indefinite pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive or emphatic pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, quantifier pronoun. We can see one by one in detail now. First one, personal pronoun. It indicates any person while acting as subject or an object. It also used as substitute for a noun or a pronoun. Like I, we, you, he, she, they, may. This all indicates personal pronouns. Next one is impersonal pronoun. It indicates mainly non-living things and inhuman beings. Only one example in this, it is it. It is impersonal pronoun. Next one is demonstrative pronoun. It used to show or identify one or a number of nouns that may be far or near in distance or time. దగ్గరగా ఉన్న దూరంగా ఉన్న ఒక వస్తువుని మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడానికి వాడేది డెమాన్స్ట్రేటివ్ ప్రొనౌన్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్, దట్. ఏంటే దీస్, దోస్, ఇవన్నీ. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ పెన్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఎ బుక్, దీస్ ఆర్ మ్యాంగోస్, దోస్ ఆర్ చైర్స్. ఇలా అన్నీ చెప్తాం కదండి మనము. దీస్ ఆర్ డెమాన్స్ట్రేటింగ్ అబౌట్ వన్ పర్టికులర్ థింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, possessive pronoun. It signifies a possession over any other person or thing. These are used to show ownership. Like mine, yours, his, hers, theirs. It is my pen, it is mine, it is yours, it is his book, these books are belong to hers. Like that we can say it demonstrates some ownership. It shows some ownership. Next one, indefinite pronoun. It used to show non-specific items or people. Like someone, anyone, anybody, nowhere, few, many, nothing, one, everyone, like that. Next one, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun used to ask questions about a person or object that we do not know. Like who, whom, which, what, whoever, whichever, where, how. ఇవన్నీ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగేవన్నీ ఇంటరాగేటివ్ ప్రొనౌన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ రిలేటివ్ ప్రొనౌన్. Relative pronouns are it join or relate to two different clauses together by referring to the noun in the previous clause using the noun pronoun. They introduce a dependent, that is subordinate clause, which gives more information. Relative pronouns gives more information, that is who, whom, which, that, whose. These are all under relative pronoun. Next one is reflexive or emphatic pronoun. It used to indicate a noun which has been used in an earlier part of the same sentence, which end in self or selves. Myself, herself, himself, itself, yourself, ourselves, themselves. Like this, it reflects self, that is known as reflexive pronoun. Next one is reciprocal pronoun. It used when two or more nouns are doing or being the same to one another. Each other, one another, like that. Next is quantifier pronoun. Actually, these quantifiers are the quantity of something. These are used to show the quantity of something, like less, little, low, much, more, never, fewer, like this. These are all under quantifier pronouns. So these are the types of pronouns. In the next video, we can see about AP SET paper 1, which the notification has released, and exam is mostly on December. So we'll discuss on paper 1 in the next video. Thank you.